Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best reusable coffee pods is probably one of the most eco-friendly and cost-effective ways to enjoy your favorite coffee with your Keurig machine, allowing you to break free from the limitations of single-use pods and explore a world of coffee flavors while significantly reducing waste and saving money with every brew. Number 5. K&J Keurig Filter Replacement 12-pack. Enjoy a perfect fit with our replacement filters, designed to be compatible with nearly all Keurig coffee machines, both new and old. Our filters feature a micromesh material that keeps the charcoal securely inside. This prevents any clogging, ensuring a smooth brewing experience every time. Experience the best tasting coffee right at home. These activated charcoal filters remove impurities, calcium, chlorine, and odors for a superior cup. We are committed to reducing waste. Your replacement filters are shipped with minimal packaging and are individually sealed for optimal protection. We believe these are the most effective filters available. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer team is ready to assist you. What we like? These filters offer a perfect fit for a wide range of Keurig models, ensuring broad compatibility. The micromesh material keeps grounds contained and the activated charcoal enhances flavor by removing impurities. If you're looking for a reliable, all-around filter that improves taste and works with most Keurigs, this is a great choice. What people say. The perfect fit feature is a game changer. They are universally compatible with a wide range of Keurig machines, including both the smart and traditional brewer groups, K-Duo and K-Slim series, and even K-Express models. The micromesh material of these filters is a standout. It keeps the charcoal inside, preventing any clogging in my coffee maker, which is a relief for any regular Keurig user. The improvement in coffee flavor is noticeable. It's like having a professional barista in my kitchen. These filters efficiently remove impurities, calcium, chlorine, and odors, thanks to the activated charcoal. Fits perfect into my Keurig. I taste a difference in the cleanliness of my water and fresh coffee. Super easy to use and set it up. This is a quality item and you will struggle to find a similar quality and value out there. Number 4. Perfect Pod Cafe Save Reusable K-Cup Filters. Tired of expensive pre-filled pods? Our reusable filters offer the best value, allowing you to save up to 80% on your daily coffee. Enjoy your favorite brew without breaking the bank. Make a positive impact on the environment. By choosing our reusable filters, you help reduce the massive waste generated by single-use plastic pods. Join us in protecting our planet, one cup at a time. Why settle for stale, pre-packaged coffee? With our filters, you can use your favorite medium ground coffee or grind your own beans. Experience a fresher, more satisfying cup tailored to your taste. Designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Keurig brewers, including K-Classic, K-Elite, K-Cafe, and many more. Enjoy the convenience of a perfect fit for your single-serve coffee maker. Brewing your favorite coffee is now easier than ever. Simply fill your favorite grounds, snap the lid, and brew. No extra parts or adapters are needed for a hassle-free experience. Stop buying costly pre-filled cups and start enjoying delicious coffee at a fraction of the price. Our reusable filters provide a simple, economical, and eco-conscious way to enjoy your daily brew. What we like? This option provides significant cost savings, allowing you to use your preferred coffee grounds and reduce waste. It's designed for the budget-conscious and environmentally aware coffee lover. If you want to brew your favorite coffee at a fraction of the cost and minimize your environmental impact, this is the one for you. What people say. Works perfectly, fits well into my Hamilton Beach maker, easy to clean, lid is firm. They are pink, of good quality, sturdy and the lids are attached. They are easy to use and clean. They fit perfectly in my K-Express. Makes a perfect 10-ounce cup of coffee. Works well, doesn't leak grains in my coffee. Perfect way to have coffee on standby when I ran out of pods. Number 3. Keurig My K-Cup Reusable Filter. Enjoy your favorite ground coffee with this reusable filter. Simply add your preferred grounds and brew a perfect single cup. Our advanced multi-stream technology ensures you get the richest flavor and aroma from your coffee. It extracts the best from your grounds every time. This filter is designed by Keurig for compatibility with most Keurig home brewers. It's the perfect way to personalize your coffee experience. Cleanup is a breeze. This filter is dishwasher safe, making it convenient for daily use. It's also BPA-free for your peace of mind. Please note that this reusable filter is designed specifically for ground coffee. For the best results, avoid using loose tea leaves or other powdered beverages. What we like. Experience the full flavor and aroma extraction with its advanced multi-stream technology. It's designed specifically for using your own ground coffee and is conveniently dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you prioritize optimal flavor extraction and ease of use with your favorite grounds, this is an excellent option. What people say. This product very much is a universal product and it does work with all Keurig models, I might add. The reusable cups can be put in the dishwasher so you can get all the oil off so there is no buildup of residual bitterness. The reusable My K-Cup filter from Keurig Dr. Pepper works great and has already saved me a lot of money. It's easy to fill, fits perfectly in my machine, and makes great coffee using my own grounds. Number 2. Keurig My K-Cup Reusable Coffee Filter. Enjoy your favorite ground coffee with our reusable filter. It's designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Keurig brewers. With dual fill lines, you can easily brew the perfect amount for a cup or a travel mug. Just fill to the line and brew. This durable filter is made from BPA-free plastic, allowing you to reuse it for every brew. Make a sustainable choice for your coffee. Using it is as simple as filling it up and placing it in your coffee maker. When you're done, just pop it in the top rack of your dishwasher for easy cleaning. Crafted from premium, BPA-free plastic, this filter ensures quality and safety with every use. Enjoy a great cup of coffee, every time. What we like. This filter features convenient dual fill lines for both cup and travel mug sizes, making it incredibly easy to use. It's also dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. If you appreciate simplicity, precise filling, and hassle-free maintenance, this reusable filter is a solid pick. What people say. Works perfectly every time. We've used this for over 8 years and it's flawless. Great alternative to using the disposable cups. Less waste and cheaper. It functions way better than those little thin, cheap, plastic aftermarket reusable pods. Doesn't make that coffee run over and you don't get actual grounds in the coffee. Great product and it's not expensive. Works perfect. Actually works better than the original one the Keurig came with. Quick, easy, no problems. I used as soon as I received it. Number 1. Perfect Pod Cafe Save Reusable K-Cup Filters. Tired of expensive pre-filled pods? Our reusable filters offer the best value, allowing you to save up to 80% on your daily coffee. Enjoy your favorite brew without breaking the bank. Make a positive impact on the environment. By choosing our reusable filters, you help reduce the billions of plastic pods that end up in landfills each year. Brew responsibly. Experience the freedom to use your favorite coffee grounds. Unlike stale, pre-made pods, you can grind your own beans for a fresher, more satisfying cup every time. Designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Keurig brewers, including K-Classic, K-Elite, and K-Cafe models. Enjoy hassle-free brewing with your existing machine. Using them is incredibly easy. Just fill your favorite coffee, snap the lid, and brew. No extra parts or adapters are needed for a perfect cup. Say goodbye to the endless cycle of buying expensive single-serve cups. Our solution provides a cost-effective and convenient alternative for your daily coffee ritual. What we like. This pack offers great value, allowing you to enjoy your favorite coffee while being kind to your wallet and the planet. It's perfect for those who want to reduce waste and customize their coffee experience. If you're looking for an economical and sustainable way to brew your preferred coffee, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say. These work well and are great because they are reusable and you can choose or create your coffee filler. The lid closes just fine if you aren't using filter paper, which you don't need to with these. Very little coffee grains get through, really barely noticeable without using paper filter. Fit my small Keurig K-Cup single cup maker well. Easy insertion and removal from the coffee maker and easy to fill and dispose of grounds as well. These pods work wonderfully in my coffee maker with a small scoop of coffee. They are a great way to save money by using your preferred coffee. They also save on little white plastic pods going in landfills. Easy to care for and they last quite a while. These are so convenient and well made. Love how they snap closed and are easy to open and clean. Works with our Keurig iced and regular with the little point in the middle. No spilling or overflow, just like the throwaway ones, but you get to use your own coffee. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.